Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into the Traveler's Tale. I'm here yet again with another vlog. To join me on this ride, I have a fellow friend whom I met on the last RE1 ride. Right now I'm near Silkboard Junction, just 7 minutes away from Kudli Gate, where I'm supposed to meet Shiv. I've just shared my live location. I think he is on the other side of the signal, so let me just cross it. Oh, he is here. Right now we are near Kudlu Gate. I met Shiv, but unfortunately my GoPro hung up on me. We are going to take this diversion near Electronic City. Destination is not that far, it just shows 1 hour 15 minutes, so it's gonna be a short ride. It's gonna be fun. We have something interesting today. Got a drone finally. मजा आने वाला है आज. Gloves को भी अभी गिरना था. This is something new. I did not know that they have started charging for two-wheelers as well. We'll be taking a exit from Nice Road over here. We'll be joining the massive highway. I have gone to Ramanagara many times, but not at this place. Pretty interesting structure, rock structure actually. There are two rocks which are standing together, so it's gonna be fun. And we are going to have some good drone shots for sure. अभी हम निकल चुके हैं नाइस रोड से. ये है हमारा मैसूर रोड जो ट्रैफिक से भरा हुआ रहता है. Can't help. First thing I have to search is a petrol bunk. By the way, last time RE1 ride में this is where we all assembled. If you haven't checked that vlog, it's called RE1 ride. Oh my god, it's pretty inside. 700 आके 200 आ 700 ಆಕೆ ಸರ್. 700
ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಝೀರೋ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು?
ಝೀರೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಝೀರೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್?
ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಝೀರೋ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ओके, फ्यूलिंग इज डन. आ गया है हमारा नवतारा टिफिन्स. Can park it inside also. There's so much of space. करते हैं यहाँ पे पार्किंग. ये मेरा यूजुअल स्टॉप है. Yeah, it's good. It's hygienic also.
is very famous for breakfast.
I know. That 30 idlis and all. By the way, riders with Shiv. Here he is. That's his channel, by the way. This is Ari Hunter. Sounds good, man, that exhaust. Breakfast time. So done with the breakfast now. It's not that far, some 35 kilometers from here, so we should be good. And we have a ride with Shifu ahead of us. Yeah, nice chap, very good vibes, easy to get along. We are heading towards our destination, which is Thimmappana Hills, if I'm not wrong. It's in Ramanagara, of course. Look at this. Yeah, it's
so
very nice, no?
excited. I'm not kidding. Like, you know, this looks very real.
Yeah.
I've seen in the videos.
One guy is getting his Hayabusa over here. Can you believe it? And it came up this side. Come this way. And he got it, man. That's something. It's sunny up there, man.
Yes. Are you a doctor, PhD doctor?
Orthodontist.
You're an orthodontist. I was just talking about my friend. She's also an orthodontist.
Nice.
What's your YouTube channel name? I just recorded my brother. I would love you to tag him in that.
It's called Ride with Shifu. Shifu.
SHIFU.
FW. And his name is Traveler's Tale.
We both are trying to connect our drone and fly since half an hour.
Half an hour, yeah.
Which is not happening. And we are trying to figure out how to fly this drone. Although I did fly it, but it's not recording for some reason. So now we are trying to figure it out because memory card, everything is there. So we are just upgrading the firmware. Let's see what happens after that. We are here in the main spot where bikes are there. Even I managed to bring my bike up, as you might have seen. Hayabusa also did it. And right now I'm walking towards the end of this rock. The weather has been very kind today, and it's not that sunny. And we are loving this. We are enjoying it, and not too much of rush, even though it is a weekend, which is a good thing. Look at that side. There are also two stones on that side, and this is where you come from. This is road from down there, and it leads up till there. You can do a parking, but from there you can, if you want, you can also get your bike up. I've seen people bringing their Activa and stuff like that. And here Mr. Shiv,
Yes.
getting few new subscribers. And this is the end of it, this side, and from where you can see that view, lovely view over there. In fact, you can track till up there. I've seen a couple of people tracking there. See, you can see there. We are not tracking for today, and we will just explore over here and we'll sit here. This rock sometimes can be seen from outside the main highway expressway. That's why, you know, today we decided to explore. In fact, not only this place, even that hill, that side, and even back side, it is pretty interesting if you want to come over here and hang out. Hopefully you have enjoyed watching this vlog, and we're gonna sit here for some time and post that. We'll push off probably. I have to explore my drone a little bit more to do that hack of flying more than 15 meters of height, and hopefully I will be able to do it someday soon. But as it was new, I couldn't do it much. Shiv is exploring.
Yeah, I have to add some accessories to my bike, yeah.
Yeah, man. This is Dominar 400. What's your name, brother? Praveen. Okay, man. What's yours? Ram. Okay, Ram is riding KTM Duke, our old legend. And we have Dominar. This is really good, no? This does off-road, long tours, everything. Even actually, I was considering of buying it. Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. Hey, man.
What's your channel name?
My channel name is The Traveler's Tale.
Just
The Traveler's Tale.